Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the Photoshop series, we are going to see how to make quickly a nice trick using the picture frame to make a classical or creative or whatever you would like door. Maybe the frame, picture frame tool or filter is not intended for this, but we are going to see how we are going to make it. Let me start directly. We start by 1000 by 1000 frame as usual. We are going to add a new layer, Ctrl Shift N. Okay, this layer, let me fill it, for example, with black. We get the black from here. That's the original settings. You can reverse it using these two arrows. We'll use the black in the front, then we'll use the pocket tool to fill this frame with black. Then directly on this layer, we are going to the filter, render, picture frame. You will find the detail settings on our website. You will find the link here. You will find the details and the settings and everything on the website with details of why we are selecting these values. Okay, we go directly to 42, which is an art frame. We have also a previous tutorial on the details, very details of the picture frame filter and what it includes. So directly we will select here a 42 frame. From here we select the vine color, which is the color of the wood of the vine, as we explained in the detailed tutorials. You can find it. We select this brown. You can select a darker brown or a different shade of brown, for example this one if you like, and then okay. Margin, will make margin to 0 for now. This means that the frame will be coming to the edge, and then the size we will go with a small size, maybe 17, 16, something like that. Okay. And arrangement, we'll keep arrangement 50 for now, as we explained in the detailed tutorial also. It's different shapes of the frame, and everyone will give you a different highlights or shadows. This one is dark, and this one is light, indicating of the direction of the light and the shadow. You need to keep it between the frame and the door and the decoration to make sure that they are all aligned together. So we'll give it 50 for now. If you change it, you will change the shades or shape of the door. You can we'll go to advanced, and from advanced, for example, we select the number of lines to 20 something, 20 plus. 20 plus. You see now, like this, you have, it looks like a door frame. Actually, it looks like a door frame. Simply, we will say okay. Then I need to make it more like a door, narrow width and height. So I will press Ctrl T. It will open the top bar for the free transformation. I just make sure that it's not linked together, the width and the height, and I will make it 50. Enter. Like this, I had made the my frame. I will add another layer. Okay, just press enter and then Ctrl Shift N to add another layer. This layer I will add the door itself. So I will select the rectangular tool. If you don't find the rectangular tool, or you don't know how to get it, just click on this search icon, and right here, rectangle tool, you can find it here. If you click on it, you will find that the rectangle tool, even if it is hidden in the menu, you will find it popping up and blinking in blue. You can see now how it is blinking in blue. Now I will drag a rectangle from here. Just make sure that it is covering the entrance, the inside of the door, and a little bit touching the edges, or overlapping with the edges. Okay, for the stroke, I'll select no stroke. Okay, and for the filling, I will select a gradient filling. Okay, that's the default gradient. So I will change the colors. You will see that this one is linear. You can see that this means that the change is linear between the black and white. That's black and white. It's coming to here, and that's the direction. It's 90 degrees to the screen. It's coming like this one, and it's changing from black to white. This black means that the opacity is 100% for the black, and this black means that the opacity is 100% for the white. We will change the colors to match those of the door of the frame. So if you double click on the black dot here, you will be able to select, I will take the dropper outside and I will select this color. Okay, maybe you think it's too light, I will select another color. If this one is good for you, we will say okay. Now we had selected the first color, the end color. simply on the white color. I will double click it, and I will come here and select one of the shades from the door, from the light part, like this one for example, and I will press OK. Now you can see that it appears like reverse it, so simply I will reverse it from here. Okay, but it is still linear, it's not coming in the direction of the light, so I will change it, the direction, to 135. Okay, now it's perfect. Enter. Now we are done with the frame. I will add another layer. Ctrl Shift N. On this layer, I will add a decoration for the frame. So I will use also the filter of the picture frame. So render picture frame. This time I will go to 46, for example, which is a round art frame. Now you can see how it looks. Thickness is on 17. You can increase it, okay, or you can decrease it. Depends on the shape of the decoration you would like to place. We'll keep the same color, the pink color, to 1. The margin I will increase it a little bit to 10. Okay, and I will keep it the same at 50, so the color shade is coming in the same direction of the frame, so they match together. And for the advanced, I will change the number of lines, for example, to 9. Okay, well, I will keep the angle to 90. The angle gives you this decorations. You can change it a little bit to see the effect. For example, if I make it 70, you will have a different decoration for the edges. 90 is fine so far for our project, and we press OK. Now we will make a simple transformation. I'll make Ctrl T, but this time I will change. Just make sure also that it's not linked together, and I will make to 40. Okay, press Enter. Now almost we are done. We have the door, the frame, and the decoration. Now just remaining that I need to add the door handle. I'll select from here. Let me try it with the search directly. So search. I need to select the ellipse. You can see here the ellipse tool is not appearing, so I'll select the ellipse. You can see here the ellipse tool. When I click on the ellipse, even if it's not appearing here, it will pop up at the beginning on the top, and it will be marked with a blue color. So ellipse tool, you can see it here. It's coming on the top, and it was marked with a blue color. Okay, now I will add a small ellipse here, a little bit under the middle, where it's usually the handle is coming. Okay, and I will select frame for it. For example, is this yellow outside, and then this filling. Now you want to give it some gold texture, so I'll go to this one. This one is styles. If you don't have the styles or don't know how to find it, you will go to Window, and you'll select styles from here. Okay, it will open you the styles. I will need to go to the legacy styles that's having the metallic. If you don't find the legacy styles, you see these 4 lines for the drop down menu, and you select legacy styles and more. Okay, you see it's added. It was added once more because I had clicked on it, but it is the same menu. So I will go to 2019 styles. If you drag down, you will find the metallic. The first of the metallic is the gold effect. Okay, now you have a very nice door with a metallic handle and a decoration. You can play with the decorations, with the colors. We'll give you another innovative ideas in the coming videos. Also, we'll see how to open this door and close it and change the light inside the room behind it. So wait for the coming video, join our channel, activate the bell, stay safe, and let me see you in the coming videos.